Hey guys, we're going to go ahead and review question number 4 from page 107. Which is another way to write 3 4/5? So right before we went out of school, we were talking about fractions and mixed numbers. So 3 4/5 is called a mixed number because it has a whole number, so 3 wholes, and then it has a fraction attached to it, 4/5. So this right here is called a mixed number. Okay. So they want us to take this mixed number and write it in a different way. And if you look at your answer choices, what they did was they took this big number and they're breaking it apart into smaller pieces. We use the word decomposing when we break a number apart, and that's exactly what we're going to do for this problem, okay? So when we say that there are 3 wholes, think of a visual model, a picture. If I wanted to shade a hole, and I'm talking about fifths, wouldn't we say that 5 fifths equals 1 whole? Well, we don't just have 1 whole, we have 3. So we actually would take 3 wholes and break it up into 5 fifths plus 5 fifths, and we would do that 3 times because we have 3 wholes. Okay? 1 whole, 2 wholes, 3 wholes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and look at my answer choices to see if we're getting close to any of the answers making sense. So I need 3 wholes. Let's look at answer choice A. I have 1 whole right there and 1 whole right there, so that gives me 2 wholes. And then they want me to add 2 fifths plus 2 fifths, which equals 4 fifths. That's only giving me 2 4 fifths. So A cannot be my answer choice because I need 3 wholes, not 2. Let's go down to B. 5 fifths is 1 whole, 5 fifths is another whole, 5 fifths is another whole. So right here together, just like we decomposed our wholes right there, that gives me 3 wholes. And they're saying that we can take this 4 fifths and decompose it into 2 fifths plus 2 fifths. Well, I know when I take 2 plus 2, that equals 4. And I'm talking about fifths. All of that together goes back to equal my mixed number of 3 4 fifths. So I think B is going to be our answer choice. Let's check C. 2 wholes. And then if I add together, so these are my wholes, then if I would add together 2 fifths plus 3 fifths, you're going to get 5 fifths, which is another whole. So if I add 2 plus that 1 whole right there, that's just going to leave me with 3. I'm still missing my 4 fifths. C can't be our answer choice. Let's look at D. 1 whole right there, okay? And then I know 2 fifths plus 2 fifths gives me 4 fifths. So that's way off. I'm only left with 1 4 fifths. So D cannot be our answer choice. We're going to go with B as our answer choice for number 4. And what they did was they took the 3 wholes, decomposed them into 5 fifths plus 5 fifths plus 5 fifths, and then they they took the 4/5 and decomposed 2/5 plus 2/5. And so here's your 3 wholes. And 2/5 plus 2/5 goes back to give me 4/5.